Imagine walking up to a house with a small front yard that feels like a cozy retreat. That's the magic we aim to create in today's video. Join us as we explore charming and functional design ideas for small front yards, making them both beautiful and practical. Welcome to Green Home Living. Showcase the beauty of nature in your small front yard with a variety of lush plants and flowers, creating a natural and vibrant space that highlights the splendor of the outdoors. Opt for a minimalist design in your small front yard with clean lines, simple plantings, and a serene layout that exudes elegance and modern sophistication. Fill your small front yard with inviting greenery, creating a lush and refreshing atmosphere that welcomes guests and adds a touch of natural beauty to your home's exterior. Design a colorful entryway in your small front yard with vibrant flowers, decorative elements, and a lively atmosphere that creates a joyful and eye-catching entrance. Create a chic and stylish small front yard with sophisticated decor, elegant plantings, and a polished look that adds a touch of class and refinement to your home's entrance. Opt for a sleek and simple design in your small front yard, featuring modern furniture, minimalistic plantings, and a clean layout that exudes contemporary elegance. Design a welcoming pathway in your small front yard, lined with colorful flowers and greenery that guide guests to your door with a warm and inviting touch. Embrace a cottage-style design in your small front yard with charming flowers, rustic decor, and a cozy, inviting atmosphere that feels like a quaint countryside retreat. Maintain a tidy and neat small front yard with well-manicured plants, clear pathways, and a clean layout that gives a polished and inviting look to your home's entrance. Fill your small front yard with an array of colorful blooms, adding cheer and vibrancy to the space. The bright flowers will create a delightful and eye-catching entrance. Construct an elegant pathway lined with beautiful plants and flowers, leading through your small front yard and creating a stylish and sophisticated entrance to your home. Design a cozy garden in your small front yard with comfortable seating, a mix of colorful flowers, and decorative elements that create a warm and inviting ambiance for visitors. Create a lush green space in your small front yard, filled with a variety of plants and greenery that bring life and vibrancy to your home's entrance, making it a refreshing sight. Transform your small front yard into a charming entrance with blooming flowers, vibrant greenery, and a welcoming atmosphere that invites guests in with warmth and beauty. Thank you for watching. We hope these small front yard ideas have sparked your creativity. Remember, it's not the size of the yard but the love and care you put into it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspirations. Until next time, happy designing.